All right, we're gonna get it done today. See if we can do anything today. Getting it ready. I'm out here at Brown's Creek. Round brown. All right, I made it on the water finally, but I hear thunder already off in the distance, so hopefully it'll be a while. It is so calm out here. Well, it was. Calm it is out here. I'm over here at Browns Creek area, and way over there is where I'm going. Way over yonder. If I don't die first. Final resting place. And I just back it in to the tall grass. And chill out. I think that was a short-lived fishing trip. I turned to look behind me. Yeah, I was wondering why. I seen all these kayakers going in. I'm like, what the hell they know that I don't know? It was to my back. That's pretty bad, so I think I'm out of here. See ya. It looked like it just blew around. But I thought, well, shoot, I'm packed up. I might as well just call it a day. But tomorrow is another day. So I'm going to try it again tomorrow. But I figured, why not show you a little bit of my kayak setup. It ain't nothing big. I don't have mods and modifications and all this crazy stuff on it. It's just a basic kayak. So I'll show it to you. Alright, first off, I'll start at the front. Whatever mess you see laying around, my yard is just a mess. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. At the front right here. Right here you got a little drain plug. So you can stand it up on end. I'll let it drain out. Tip of mine broke, but it still works. Got the handle here. Carrying, pulling You got these paracords on the front, which I never use them. I guess you could. Extra life jackets or whatever. I never use it. Looks like my thing is messed up. And then right here you got your front hatch. Never use it. It's empty. You can put your camping gear, extra life jackets, little cooler, well, I don't know, whatever you want to put in there. But it's too far for me to reach up there. I don't know, never use it. And you got your little pole holder. Lost mine. Flipped it over my first day using a kayak and it fell out, but I got to get another one. No big deal. Then you have your little eyelets on the side here, each side, clipping whatever you need to. Foot pegs, they're adjustable wherever you need them, and then they lock into place so they don't move. It's got these scupper holes around. There's a couple under the seat, but I plugged them all with practice golf balls, styrofoam or whatever you want to call them. So they seem to work, do the trick. You got your measuring fish. I never use it. It's in an awkward place. I don't want to bend over and use it, so I bought an extra one to keep in my toolbox. Bottle holder. There's no cup holders in this kayak, which I think kind of blows. I'm gonna have to find out how to rig one up, but there's a bottle holder, bottle of water, bottle of soda. Right here you got two little storage areas for keys or an extra lure or whatever. Right here's your second storage. Now I see everybody asking all the time, you know, about putting pool noodles inside to keep things from sliding back, but I seen this deal right here. I made this myself and I just tied it to this latch here. What's that? I just tied it on here, so I put the D-clamp on the end, so anything that slides to the back you can pull it out. It's my stringer, it's a mess, but anything that you want to tie on, you can tie up to 4 of them on there, 4 or 5 of these. I just made this myself, so whatever slides to the back you can just retrieve with your little cord there. So that was a pretty good idea. Works out good. There's my seat. You have straps on both sides. That is for your paddle, which I have mine tied over here. That ties your paddle on. Now these little clips here I found at Walmart. They were like $1.99. They're for dog leashes. So I bought a few of those and I attached my lip grips to them. And I just keep it right there. My pliers I just wedge in there. There's some more clamps, eyelet, whatever you call them. My seat. Now this is where I like to keep my life jacket. I like to keep it on my back because it gives me a little bit extra cushion. It's got my whistle in the pocket. Folds down, it comes out. But it's a pretty comfortable seat. And back here I have my milk crate. Now there's a place here. You can see it. It's for a 5-gallon bucket. I don't never fish with a 5-gallon bucket, but you can. That's what this groove's here for. But I got my milk crate. There's all my tools, my tackle. I don't know what this little area is for. Mounting something, I don't know. Who knows? But I got this cup here from a golf cart. Cup holder maybe. But I had it strapped. Right there, Z-strap or a tie strap. But but that's where I keep my anchor. And I got these off one of my wife's Nautica decorations that she had laying around. So now if the rope comes untied from the kayak, I can find it because it's floating. Got some worms, some tackle, another strap back here, another plug. Now I had paracords on the back here. It went like zigzag, but over time I guess they got dry. I need to order some new ones. GoPro mount, never used. Right here is, looks like you can mount a rear fin, maybe a trolling motor. That's my plan. Another handle, caution flag. That's about it. Pole holders. It's only got 2 pole holders, but that's all I need is 2 or 3 poles. Nothing big, but I love it. I'm proud of it. Anyways, that's my kayak tour. Any nasty comments about it, keep them to yourself.